Hi, I'm John Wheeler, CEO at Vernier. Bringing technology into the classroom to engage students in science exploration has always driven Vernier. With the recent boom of smart devices, we wanted to bring the new low-cost wireless and sensing technologies into the classroom. Really, we wanted to remove the barriers of cost, complexity, and compatibility that stood in the way of teachers that want to have their students adopt sensor-based data collection. This was the inspiration behind GoDirect.
Development of our GoDirect architecture was really driven by the need to allow customers to collect sensor data as easy as possible. Now, Bluetooth technology was a key part of that, and along with wireless communication comes the need for battery-powered devices as well. The first thing you think about when you have a rechargeable battery is, well, how long does it last, and how do I charge it? How long does it take to charge it? And we spent a lot of time architecting an entire ecosystem around the rechargeable battery process.
Each GoDirect sensor is actually more than a sensor. It's a sophisticated instrument that allows students to collect accurate and repeatable data and transmit that data over Bluetooth or USB. Our free graphical analysis 4 software is supported by hundreds of teacher-tested labs that provide the same rich experience on Windows, Mac, Chromebooks, iOS, and Android devices.
Pressure sensor itself is one of the most useful sensors for a biologist to use. You can do grip strength with it, you can do transpiration with it, you can do enzyme action with it, you could even do cellular respiration with it. There are just a whole bunch of experiments that it's useful for.
The great benefits of the GoDirect sensors for chemistry is that they're wireless, especially when you're doing an acid-based titration. When you're setting it up, you're starting with your drop counter, and you're connecting it to your ring stand, and in this case, we're connecting it to the stir station. Then you take your GoDirect pH sensor, place it here into your drop counter. You would turn on the Bluetooth features and then connect to your device. That's the simplicity of the new GoDirect sensors for chemistry. In an acid-based titration, there are no wires.
Very excited about the GoDirect 3-axis magnetic field sensor for physics. You can look at vector fields that you would not be able to look at with a 1-axis magnetic field sensor. In addition to looking at the dipole field of a magnet, you can look at any configuration of wires, whether you've got a long, straight conducting wire with a current in it, or if you've got a solenoid or a toroid. You're now able to examine these vector fields in ways that you were not able to before. It's very exciting.
Powerful, versatile, affordable, easy to use. This is GoDirect.